Hey there, everyone. Hello, my name is Akash, and let me tell you, by profession, I'm a dancer, and I have a crew of 17 to 20 members, wherein we go to different fest and perform. So, talking about my journey, that my journey is very ordinary, like it isn't that much interesting. But yes, I faced many ups and downs. So let me share you this experience. And thank you very much for the for Smileo that they gave us this enormous platform to express ourselves, our journey. So talking about my journey, let's start here. So my journey was started in 2017. I remember that that was my first experience as we just made a crew, whole crew of 17 to 18 members, as I told you. And that crew is in that the name of that crew is Incredibles crew. So we just went to our first fest, that is IIT Roorkee. They just called us, and we gave our audition on like we gave our audition, like there were two rounds in that fest. So we just went for that fest, and first was prelims, then there was the other round, that is finals. So we have to prepare for both of them. And also I went for many one to one battles in the local Dehradun only. So that fest was very much like that was a turning point of my, you can say, my career in dance. That we have selected for the prelims round, and then we have one more round to go, that is finals round. So in prelims round, what we are supposed to do, that we gave our auditions in an audi full of, you can say, there were 9,000 people in that audi. And trust me, that was the very that experience was very much nervous. I got very nervous on that or on that platform when we were standing on the stage, and all the judges were sitting in front of us, and they were looking at us like we did any crime or what. But it wasn't like that. So we just gave the audition, and we were waiting for the results to get announced. So it's been 2 and 3 hours. We've been waiting for our results, and certainly one volunteer came, and she just called me, Akash, can you please come here? So then I just go and was hearing her that, Akash, your crew got selected for the nationals in IIT Roorkee, and you will be competing other teams from different zones. And we were got surprised that yes, we got our first victory, that what we are came for. Then we were okay, we celebrated our first win. Then the second round was finals. So in finals, we are supposed to practice a stunt which was never being showed on any of the platform or showed on any national platform. So that stunt was performed by me, and I have to jump to from two students, that they just made a pyramid, and I have to jump from that. So I certainly that was I just got crashed, and I got injury in my left leg, and that injury also pains me right now. So but and doctor told me that you can't perform in the finals, but I have to perform, as it was my only chance to prove myself. So we just step on the platform and we performed. Unfortunately, we didn't scored any rank, but that was a very great experience for me. And I really want to tell you guys that if you fall anytime, just don't regret yourself, because whenever you fall, you always fall to get rise. So always keep in your mind that you should trust yourself, you should trust your destiny, and always do the hard work. you will automatically get the results. So in last, I would like to thank you all of my listeners and all of my viewers who are viewing me, who are hearing me. Thank you so much, Smileo, for giving us this platform. And you guys can find me on Instagram. My handle is akash underscore katki12, and I have my YouTube channel as well. So guys, just go and grab the opportunity in the world. The world is so big. Thank you, Smilo, for this platform, and thank you guys for listening.